Good morning. Day 2 of the adventure out here at Christmas Island. And now we are in the back country, and hopefully we're going to get into some bigger bonefish. That's what Carlos promised, right? The bigger bonefish are right here. Big bones. Let's go do it. Fish on. Just incredible how big these flats are here.
Yeah.
Armadillo's already caught a fish this morning. Oh, it's a little tougher. He's gonna chill there for a while.
He's tired. He's tired also.
He's very defensive right now. So we're gonna fish this channel right here. So bonefish will come out this deep area and just kind of come in. We're gonna stand kind of right on the edge there and wait for them to travel through this channel as the tide is now coming in. I'm gonna throw a Clauser minnow, little one, to start off with my 9-weight. It's a big shark.
Yeah.
I went to pick it up. Little bonefish.
Not tired yet.
Thank you. Another bonefish. It's a better one. Yeah, nice catch. Nice fish. Thank you.
Someone still there. It's good. Behind them, but okay.
There we go. Oh,
You just lived.
I did. I totally trout set that one.
Yeah, still there. Go down.
There we go.
Let's go in this line.
Oh, it's a bluefin?
Yeah.
Yeah. My slap cast, or my slap reel. Jill Trevally. Baby giant Trevally. Nice. Hear him barking. That's pretty great. Oh no. Oh shit balls.
There's lots of big animals.
Swimming right at us.
Guys,
Thank you. Thought I saw some movement.
that's a big one, man.
Nice move.
Oh, that's a big one.
Sweet. There we go. Oh, oh, oh,
Three.
yes. I think maybe my bonefish got eaten. I think my bonefish got eaten.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, he ate it. The GT ate my bonefish.
Yeah, he ate it when they came.
Yeah, he ate my bonefish. Holy shit. That was cool. That was the first time that Dennis saw that happen. Had probably a 13-inch bonefish on, and those 3 giant GTs came up and gobbled him up. And away she went. That was super cool though.
So cool, man.
So cool. Lunchtime. All right, we're off to the next spot. Just had lunch. The struggle is real. I'm just kind of laying flat right now, just stretching out my back. This type of fishing, I think we walked like 7,600 steps, so almost 5 miles, casting and casting and casting. So I'm a little sore. Took some Tylenol. Should be good for the second half. So I'll see you over there. You see one, Dennis? Oh. It was a good day, and I'm tired, and we're gonna go back, have some dinner, chill out for a while, and I'll see you in the morning.